Hi, let's read. Oh, Alison, what's this?
Apple.
This one.
Mana.
This one. Very good. This one. Uy. This one, Alison, what's oh?
Apple.
This one.
Mana.
Very good. This one. Very good. This one.
Done.
Very good. What's this? What's this? I know. This one.
And
Very good. This one.
this.
Very good. This one.
This.
Very good.
This.
Very good.
Apple.
Very good.
Apple.
No, that's not apple.
Apple.
Oh,
Oh. Orange.
very good. This one.
Bila.
Key.
Key.
This one. Huh? Lion. Very good. Oh, this one.
Melon.
Melon. Very good. This one.
And
Nest.
nice.
This one.
Apple.
I know. It's O.
Orange.
This one. This one. What's this? This one.
Chicken.
This one.
Oh.
No.
Pig.
Huh?
Pig.
Sheep. This one. What's this?
Orange.
Very good. This one. This one.
Dog.
Very good. This one.
Dash.
Very good. This one.
Daddy.
Very good. This one.
Oti.
No, it's pig.
There.
Pig. Pig. That's not oinky. That's pig. Okay? Oh, this one. What's this? What's that? What's this? Very good. This one. This one, Alison. What's this? What's this? Donkey.
Taki.
This one.
Camel.
Cattle.
Cattle.
This one.
Juice.
Goose. Very good. Almost perfect.